So the European AI ecosystem looks like it's a little fragmented, and in fact it is. And it's therefore even more important that we have some glue that holds it all together. And this is where the Vision project comes in. We have these wonderful NoEs, now 6, soon even more. And there is a need and a benefit in doing things across the boundaries of these different networks of centers of excellence, the different areas of AI that they represent, to bring them together, to make them think about what they could do jointly that goes beyond the things that they can do individually. So that's what we do in Vision, and it's actually working very well. We have various activities in that regard. We have a doctoral academy that has been inspired and initiated by AI for Media, together with the CLARE organization that now all the networks of centers of excellence participate in. We have a European summer school in AI where some of our greatest talent is getting trained even further. We have industry relation, and we have a common visual identity that we're very happy to have rolled out now. So all of these are activities that wouldn't work within the individual NoEs alone. That requires us to work together. And even more important is the working together on mapping our joint ecosystem, on seeing who's there, which capacity is where in Europe, and also in making a joint roadmap for the kind of research we want to carry out in artificial intelligence. Now, this rich and complex ecosystem, of course, needs to be sustained. And therefore, we very much hope that these projects don't just live for 3 or 4 years, but that ways will be found to extend their useful life far into the future, because AI and the work that they do in AI is going to impact the way we live, we work, and we organize our societies.
Vision is the coordination call and responsible for coordinating the networks. It's operating in a very fast-moving field, AI, so we need to be flexible. So we identified that mainly the project managers need to have a gremium in which they can talk to each other and quickly align to the wishes of the people and changing field. So what we did is try to put all those project managers together and talk to each other, try to align and be flexible. I think we managed to do that. So in that sense, we overcame the biggest challenge, and that is coordinating people, identifying those people that are responsible for the initiatives in the different networks. And in that way, we try to wander around in the field of AI and be flexible towards the changes that are coming towards us.
We have amazing talent in Europe, from the north to the very south, from the east to the west, and certainly in the center. And part of what we need to do is activate this talent, bring it together, and leverage it for the next generation of trustworthy AI systems made in Europe. I think a very good start is being made, but there's yet much work to be done. And that is work that we can only do if we work together. And maybe work together not just within the European Union and its member state, which is funding these actions right now, but also with our friends and colleagues in the United Kingdom, in Norway and in Switzerland, who are also quite strong in AI.